So I just made another 100% on 2 plays on NVIDIA and QQQ. Taking this guy for a walk. When I looked at the setup, I was pretty confident in where the market was gonna go. So I just took my position, took them out. Because, in the morning, as humans, wake up, use the bathroom. Same thing for the dog, right? So you got to take them out. It's unfortunate sometimes I try to plan ahead. One of the techniques that I use, I try to plan ahead and take him out the night prior, so that way he doesn't have the urge to need to have to go to the bathroom. But Mother Nature is Mother Nature. But overall, the setup on the video in QQQ is pretty cool. I wanted more from it, but it's a Friday, so I just kind of took what I can get, right? The market shot up in the morning. Wasn't really looking for too much of the upside, so I said, let me put some puts. Setup was nice, executed, and then I was like, all right, cool. Let me go for a jog. Got my sweat vest on, allowed me to, kind of burn a little bit more energy, and just kind of go from there. So I'm gonna just kind of review the setup, and also too just kind of keep up with where the market is going to go for the rest of the day as well too, just to see if there's any other opportunities. But again, it's a Friday coming into Labor Day, so I'm not really going to be thirsty for another setup, right? Now if the setup is there, the setup is there for sure. Got some notifications. Overall, man, happy with the results. Of course, there will be bigger wins and there will be, smaller losses as well too. But, you become content with what you get, right? And if I'm not mistaken, I think NVIDIA did come out with earnings, and that's why I think that they did fall. They went from 121 all the way back down to 117. I had the puts for 115. Once I kind of seen it was like a little struggle to get there, I was like, let me take my profits. And that's what I did. But I think people weren't too happy with NVIDIA's profits. And then also too, you got Warren Buffett dumping more Bank of America, more Apple, which is interesting. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with that. But yeah, he's dumped a lot more stock, and I think he has about $280 billion in cash on hand. So he's looking for something. And, he is one of the greatest investors of all time. So I'm kind of looking around the market and just kind of seeing what he sees. And by any means, I'm no near the level as him, but you can always get better just by looking at the big guys and just kind of like what they do. And mind you, they're operating with a lot more money, so their trades are not as sophisticated as you think that they will be. But overall, 200% gainers on NVIDIA, QQQ, and look to beat the market for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna get home and make some breakfast, and I don't know, whatever else I can fit in this vlog. So making breakfast and whatever else, I don't know, probably go shoot some hoop again, but we'll see.